Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a video background to your Shopify homepage. A video background is a great way to make your storefront more engaging and showcase your products or brand story as soon as visitors arrive. Instead of displaying a static banner, you can create a more dynamic first impression that encourages visitors to stay on your site longer. The good news is that many modern Shopify themes support video sections directly, so you can add one without installing an app or editing code. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme and click Customize to open the theme editor. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're viewing your home page. In the left sidebar, click Add Section and look for a section called Video, Video Banner, or Image Banner with Video, depending on your theme. Select the Video section to add it to your home page. After adding the section, upload your video if your theme supports direct uploads, or paste a supported YouTube or Vimeo video link if that's the available option. Once the video is connected, use the preview on the right to make sure it displays correctly. Next, customize the section. Add a heading, a short description, and an optional button that links to one of your collections or featured products. If your theme includes options like overlay opacity, text position, content alignment, text size, or section height, adjust them so your content remains easy to read while the video plays in the background. Some themes also include autoplay, looping, and muted playback options. If they're available, enabling muted autoplay and looping usually provides the best customer experience, since visitors can immediately see the video without needing to press play. Keep in mind that most browsers block autoplay when a video has sound, so muted videos are generally the best choice. Once you're happy with the layout, click Save in the top right corner. Now visit your homepage and test the video on both desktop and mobile devices. Make sure it loads properly, fits the screen correctly, and that any text or buttons remain easy to read across different screen sizes. It's also a good idea to click your call to action button to make sure it links to the correct page. If your current Shopify theme doesn't include a video background section, don't worry. Some themes simply don't offer this feature. In that case, you can check whether your theme has a newer version with video support, or use a trusted Shopify app that adds advanced video sections without requiring custom code. For the best performance, use a short, high-quality video that's optimized for the web. Ideally, keep it between 10 and 30 seconds and make it loop smoothly. A smaller file size helps your homepage load faster while still giving visitors an engaging experience. Avoid adding too much text over the video, and choose footage that supports your brand rather than distracting from your products. Before finishing, preview your homepage one last time. Scroll through the page to ensure the video blends naturally with the rest of your homepage sections, and confirm that your navigation, announcement bar, and featured products still look clean and organized. Small adjustments to spacing or text placement can make a big difference in the overall appearance. And that's it. That's how to add a video background to your Shopify homepage. With just a few simple steps, you can create a more engaging storefront that grabs visitors' attention, highlights your brand, and gives your homepage a more professional look. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.